Yeah, record is started for me also. So then we'll continue. Two people are missing here. One is Hitesh and Akshay. Okay. Just we'll continue the last part here. Okay. So I'm giving some email ID. So email ID is any email ID you can give. Whether it is existing mail ID or a non-existing mail ID also, no problem. Any mail at that something, including you can use example.com also if you want it. Okay. Okay. So this is first I'm giving my name and I'm giving email ID. Any name you can give, your original name or email ID, anything. Okay. So here, what happened here? And then enter. Now, after giving this one, I can give commitment. I can give commitment. So, right. So then I given a commitment. Please tell me who you are again. And someone came and 1 second. What is this? Oh, that's a mistake. Thank you. It is there email. It is you global. You can see here it is email user email. That's a mistake I done here. I given user name, right? So then email, correct. Now it is done and I'm going to commit. Now can you see one file changed, one insertion created. Now everything is in staging area only. It is not done in any place. It is not done any place. Okay. So everything in your place only. For example, I'm going to create a new file. Again, I'm going to create a new file F2. Okay, and F2 file I created. Okay, this is F2 file. Okay, something I put some data, save it. F2 file is I created. Now again, I want to commit my second commit. So second F2 commit. Okay, what will happen? Just see what will happen. It is throwing an error. It is throwing an error. I add a new file and then I'm committing it. What it is showing on branch master untracked file is a new file is there. F2 file is there, but we didn't add that file. So I didn't add the file. So you can see I didn't add the file, but I committed that one. So we should add the file, then only we can able to commit. Okay. And one more command is like a status is mostly very useful command is a status. So when you give a status automatically, if anything is left, then you can able to see. Okay. Now I'm going to add. You can add f2.txt. You can use f2.txt. You can use f2.txt, or very simply you can f2.txt instead of that one. I can use just dot. Dot means all files in the folder. Dot means all files in the folder. Now I added it. Then I'm going to check the status. Now can you see? New file is showing. New file is showing. Okay. The new file f2.txt in a green color. This is red color. This is green color means add is completed. Okay. And still it is not committed. Change to be committed. Can you see? Change to be committed. If you can read these things, then more troubleshooting you can do it. A lot of people will learn, but they don't find what is going on there. Now I'm going to commit. This is my commit statement anyway. Now I committed. So one file change, one insertion is completed, and create mode is something number and with the f2.txt, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the status. Now on branch master, nothing to commit because nothing new, nothing is created new, and working tree clean. So it's a working tree is clean. Okay. I think so. You understand when you see status, it means new thing is not there. So yeah, a very good question. So if we do modification to earlier file, which is committed already, we needed to add again to staging area before committing to. Yes, very good. So for example, F1 is already there, then I'm adding a new line. Okay, this is okay, F2, F1 file committed already. Okay, already is there. Then what will happen? Now modification is occurred in a F1 file. Modification is occurred in your file. So then what will happen? Now just modification. Then I'm going to check the status. Again, can you see modified? Can you see modified? Okay. So you can see the modified here. So what to do? Again, we have to add it. Again, we have to do adding and then committing. Or you can use only commit. No changes added to commit, use git add or a commit. So can you see in the status, when we modified, it is showing modified. If it is a new file, then it is a new file and it is showing it is a modified the existing file. So every change, it will particularly check it. So that is version control system. Understand version control system. Changes occur, but it is already having previous changes, but no new change is not updated. So immediately it is showing like a modified. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to commit. Then I use third commit. Third commit. Commit is happen in F1 modified. Okay, f1.txt modified commit. So I should use a if in it like all type only. Okay, so I should use a. But before that one, what we should use? Add, we should use it. So if I use this one also, it is not agreeing. We must add it and then otherwise we should use -a. So for all modification, add is completed and then I'm committing it. So the changes 3 insertion, 1 deletion is occurred, and then I'm going to check the status. So this is the thing. So I think so you guys understand what is a modified. Once you modified, what to do. Okay. Now, where is these files? Where is these two files are located in your working folder only. Okay. It is in working folder. Okay, and your git is this one is a local repository only. It is local repository only. Now I want to put everything into central repository where it is. So here f1 f2 file is there and we put both the things into .git local repository. Now everything I want to put it in my GitHub. So how to do it? Okay, now this is if you can take existing one or you should create a new repository here. We as a free version you can create a multiple free repositories okay, but you can't create a multiple projects. So I want to create a new repository, but I have to log in for that one. Guys, if you want to use mine, I will create a one repository, you can upload it. Okay, so I'm going to sign in. Vedic Soft CTS and password. I still don't remember properly. I think ZAQ MLP 123. I think so. It is wrong email ID. So I want to check it 1 second. 1 second. Oh, here email is not there now. @ MLP Oh shit. We have to use mail part. Okay, so 1 second. I will verify with another machine. So my physical machine. So I can't use my physical machine. This is the worst. Okay, so okay, myself have to. Okay, that there it is record is going on, so I have to stop this record. Okay, no problem. So I will be very fast. I will go with the Gmail account. I want to add extra account here. Okay, Vedic Soft CTS. Given correct only. This is not a password. This is not a password. This is password is ZAQ @123. No. Guys, 1 second. A little bit pause is required here. Okay. Exit full screen. Very good. Exit full screen. Very good. Okay. So. Okay. Now whatever it is, it is completed. Browser. That's why previously you have to check everything. I will get the password then. Okay. Basic soft CTS. Let's store all the passwords in things we can't able to remember. Sydney, engage with invitation, collaboration. Now my system becomes slow. We didn't start anything. Link Vedic soft. Oh shit. It is when to save the password. Arjun Watson. GitHub. What? How to get my password? This is. I thought a lot of things, and it is giving big shit. Yeah, very good. No reply. I must save the passwords. No password account being added to your personal security tokens. What is my password? Vedics of CTS ZAQ MLP @7. Why it is not logging? I forgot the password of it. I don't forget the password. Oh, very good. This is my password only. No, not this password. This is ZAQ MLP @7. Yeah, it is verifying my phone number. Okay, so 814-3836-815. Send. Where is my phone? Yeah. Sorry guys, this is 285183. Okay. Let's say I should remember the password. Even create password. My create password is always same. AQ MLP @7. Same AQ. Continue Gmail. Okay, so finally I log into my Gmail account and then I'll use Gmail account. Then I'm going to use my password. Why it is again? So I will go to forget password then. Okay, so then I will get some reset password link, right? Yeah. Copy link address, then paste here. ZAQ MLP @7. ZAQ MLP @7. So guys, this is the password. Remember, don't forget. Okay, so this is the password. Capital Z, small AQ, MLP @7. Okay, this is the password. And ID is Vedic Soft CTS @gmail.com. Okay, this is for this one. So don't log in. Okay, you should not log in because it's one-time login only. If I log in, you can't log in. If you want a personal one, you can use your personal one. Okay. Okay, you can use your own if you want to do upload, download kind of stuff. You can use your own. Okay, but don't log in. So if you want, I will create one blog like this. Then you can able to do it. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new repository. Okay, finally, 1 second. Then I'm going to mine full screen mode. The record is going on. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to create a new repository with the same folder name, so it won't get confused. Okay, I'm using this same name here for a repository. So available. Public means anybody can access. Private means I can only use it. Okay, public, anybody can able to download it. Okay, so you want to initiate this report with the readme, or if you skip it, you can no problem. Okay, so you can readme file will be created. If you don't want, you can uncheck it also. If you want, you can check it also. Okay, this is mine, and this is a repository name. Okay, create a repository. Finally, repository created, but your files are not here. Your files are not here. So you want to put your files, these things, you have to put that one into here. So these are the steps to follow to do this thing. Okay, so I'm going to copy. Then also I am going to put this thing into my here. Okay. Okay. So I think everybody log in with this one, right? So I'm going to chat box. Um, I'm going to Control A and Control C. I'll put everything into your chat box. So then you can understand how one by one step what we done. Okay. See, guys, here it is. To create a new repository, we should do this one. But I created I done up to here. I done up to here. Only left over is these two commands only. So I'm going to execute these two commands one by one. So then I can able to do it. So I'm going to copy this one. It's a remote add. Remote means my repository is in internet, right? So in GitHub, central repository. So up to here, it is a local repository. This is the central repository. Add origin and the link we should tell. So one time only we should tell, but you should give account name and password. That's I given an account name and password. So first of all, we'll add it. We'll add it. It will ask for a account name and password. So we'll give that one. So this is completed. Means this information is added to our local app repository. Okay, this information is added to local repository. So when you push it for a first time, it will ask your Git account username and password. Git account username and password. It means you should know the username and password. You don't need to log in, but just you should require a username and password. Just give git push -u origin master. That's it. Just wait. Okay. Now see, automatically GitHub login is came up, right? So just give email ID and password, right? So where is my email ID? This is my email ID. It means username or a password. Okay, so I given a password login. It's a one time only. So once you're given, you don't need to give every time. Okay, but in physically, you don't log in here. Don't log in a browser. You can view things from browser, but don't log in a browser. Now completed. Can you see git push master? And I completed all the merging things and now I'm going to refresh. Now can you see the first one and second one is committed? Can you see? So what is there inside also we can see. What is master? Master is a master branch, means main one. You can create a branches also. That is again we have to do that one. Now can you see these two files are there? These two files are there. Okay. I'm going to add a new file here. So this is it. Okay. Pushing is completed. Okay. I'm going to add a new one. Okay. So F3 file. F3 new file. This is F3 file. Okay. So like this is F3 file. Okay. Now, if you push it, what will happen? If you push it, what will happen? What will happen? Nothing will happen. So I'm pushing it. It is not asking that username and password. It use because it stores inside your Git configuration. everything up to date, branch master setup track remote branch master from the origin. It is not updating F3. Why it is not updating F3? Okay, so also you can see from here, I'm going to refresh that F3 is not came here. So why it is not came? Why? Because of this is in your folder only, okay, not in a local repository. When you add F3 file to your local repository, then only we can able to put it in a central repository. Very good. Okay. So first of all, we should add that file to your local repository. Then only we can put it into central repository. So how to do it? We'll see that one. Again, same thing, same step. Git add space dot. Now adding is completed, and git commit, right? So git commit space -m in quotation. This is fourth commit, right? So fourth commit file is f3.txt. I'm committing. Just any comment, hi also you can give, bye also you can give it, but give proper commit statement. So then you will get it. Now it is added. Then I'm going to pushing it. It's waiting for getting authentication details and what is there, what is not there. Right now, can you see? Now it is showing. Understand the difference. So if you add new thing, again you have to do all those steps. Now I'm going to my thing. Then I'm checking. Yeah, ready. Okay, guys. So first, what you will do? Take this link. Take this link. It's already I given in a chat box. Where is the chat box? Okay, I given this link already to you. You don't require username and password, but copy username and password. Not required to log in. The only thing is you should go to here. First of all, for this one, you don't require login to here. Don't log in browser. Okay, if you log in a browser, completely no one will log in. Okay, everything will be get problem. Okay, so okay, so this is I already created. Just open it. So what to do? So go to browser. Very simple. I'm going to my physical machine. Okay, so go to browser, GitHub. Okay, GitHub, Vedic soft CTS. That's it. Okay, so you may get things or not like something, anything. Just this is the link. Look like link. Okay, remove this waste link. https://github Vedic soft CTS. That's it. Okay, so it will be open. So you don't require sign in or login. You don't require anything. Just go to repositories, 17 repositories. This is a new one. Okay, CTS 2020. Just open it. So already there. Go to the code and copy this link. Just copy this link. Okay, you can find wiki.git. Okay, copy this link. First clone it to your PC. So I'm doing again for you in a simple manner in a machine only. So here only I'm doing, but different folder I'm selecting here. Okay, so different folder I'm selecting here. I'm going to create a new folder in my okay, not no. This is Git project folder, right? So in E drive only, I'm creating a new folder. Folder name is Git pull. Just example, okay? So this is you do, right? So normally just create a folder, Git pull, open. Okay, you can use two commands. Either it is pull command, like a Git pull command, or you can use clone command also. You can use clone command and copy Now it is full first time, right? So we are doing a cloning is also good. So once you're done and type dir, you can find a folder. Okay, so go to that folder, cd cts, okay, this folder. So I'm going to that folder. Now I'm inside this folder. So this is folder, I'm inside this folder. See, I got all the files. Now if you want to add new file, if you want to adding a new file here, so add a new file, that's it. Just add a new file, f4.txt, or you can use like my name is Latif, right? So I am putting my Latif file 1. So I'm creating new file, Latif file 1. So this is okay, Latif file 1 by Latif. Okay, save it. So I created a new file. You can also create a new file like this. Now what I'm going to do is git init is not required because it's already initiated. So if you want, you can do that one. Then you can do git add hyphen dot. Then what to do? Git commit hyphen m in a quotations new commit by Latif. So like this. Now it's in local repository only. It is completely in your local repository only. Now what you do? So git remote add origin, then give this link. Git remote add origin. I think so. Yeah, right. Git. Okay. My brain is working now. Okay. Yeah. So already I given this one. So then I want to give git push. Okay. Git push hyphen u origin master. So it is pushing the thing. Here I didn't log in anything, right? But when you push it, first time it will log in already there. So that we have to give login and do it. So you don't need to do anything. Simple, newly I done. So what to do here or maybe here? So I'm going to refresh. See here I'm not logging. It is still showing sign up. Still I got it, right? Like this. This is one. And guys, we have a 4 minutes to disconnect. Once it is disconnected, take lunch break, come back at 2:30 or 2:45. Okay. I don't know afternoon anything is there because I didn't open any mail. So I will inform you in afternoon. Okay. So come back at 2:45. So take 1 hour break. Okay. So take 1 hour break. Even myself, I didn't done a cooking. So one point I will tell and then we'll close it. Earlier, where is this CTS part? Earlier here, right? But why it is new file is not showing here? So you go to here, refresh. I have a file, but in the original folder, I didn't get the new one. How to get new one here? Okay, how to get new one here? Can you see? E drive, Git project, CTS. Here, I'm here. Okay, or otherwise I will close it. No problem. The new one is not came here. 3 files are there, very good, but new one is not here. If I create a new one, what will happen? So if I create a new one, what will happen? So I'm creating new one, F4. Okay. F4 file. So that is enough. Okay. Save and exit. Now here I'm going to open my CMD. Okay. Now I'm going to do the remaining thing, right? Git add. Okay, good. Git commit hyphen m, and I'm giving F4 commit. Commit is completed, and git push. You'll get a column. That's the columns are important, right? Origin master. This is first folder. Now you got, see, you got that red line and green lines. Then also it is telling what to do. Also, what is happened? There is a version difference is there. Actually, there is F1, F2, F3, and Latif file 1 is there. But in your thing, only F1, F2, F3, F4 is newly created. Now the difference is occurs. What to do? First of all, very simple. Put a good git pull. That's it. Simple git pull. Now, can you see the new will be added? Can you see the new one will be added? So we have to pull the configuration from your central repository, then push it, pull and push it. Now successful. Now it is successful. You didn't get any errors. So I'm going to refresh this one. So what you have to do, you have to first clone it and add it and commit it and then push it. Once you got an issue at a push, then pull it and push it. First git pull and push. Got it, guys? Right? First we have to do git push. If you got like this, then put a git pull and push it, because simultaneously multiple people are committing at a time, so you will get a different version. So to avoid that one, so what to do? Pull the configuration and push the configuration. That's it. And any other errors are there, then we can see later. Now this is about your GitHub. So this is the main thing, and you don't need to log into browser, but when you pushing it, you need a username and password. So I given already username and password, and put it in your notepad. Don't share to anybody, okay? And do it, okay? Try. Come back at 2:45 is better timing, okay? 2:45 or 3 o'clock, we can see. Okay, have a lunch and you can start doing one by one. You are about to disconnect, guys. Afternoon, we'll see at quarter to 2:45. So we'll be back at 2:45. Okay. So I have to prepare curry first of all. So for me, it will take time to adding. So meanwhile, you can enjoy doing lunch and as well as this practical. If you got it out, afternoon, enter afternoon, crowd solving and troubleshooting, team viewer, everything we will do it. Okay.